And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. A lot of sunshine there. That was just a little under an hour ago, that shot. We did get to 18 degrees at 1 o'clock this afternoon, and we were at a low of 12 degrees at 1 a.m. this morning. So it was very, very mild. Winds are very light right now out of the north at 11 kilometers per hour. Much windier earlier today. We had gusts that exceeded 100 kilometers per hour earlier today. But the result of all that wind and all that sunshine making its way down, temperatures above average right across the board in southern Alberta and to the west of the Continental Divide. Fairly healthy temperatures there too. Area of high pressure is the dominating feature for much of Western Canada, the southernmost areas of Western Canada right now, but we are watching this band of precipitation that is making its way in the form of a low pressure center, and another one is to the north. We're going to see our area of high pressure collapse as we get further into the work week, and you'll see that reflected in the 5-day forecast. And what that means is that precipitation turning into snowfall as the temperatures cool are going to land in southern Alberta in the form of some mixed precipitation to start with, and then periods of snow on Friday. Won't be with us all that long, and by the time we get into Sunday, we'll have +5 degrees and a sun and cloud mix. In advance of that, though, we're looking at clear skies here for the most part right now. We've had a couple pockets of high, thin cloud move across, but mostly you're seeing on the satellite loop it's been pretty quiet. Now, that being said, as we get into tomorrow and we start to see the collapse of this area of high pressure, it will allow cloud cover to start meandering into southern Alberta. Our winds will be far less tomorrow than what they were today, so it allows that drift off of the cloud cover. And as we get into, as I said, closer into the weekend, you'll see a drastic change. 8 degrees right now. Wind warnings are in effect for the extreme eastern coast of Canada right now. Gusts there are expected to be what we had earlier today, exceeding 100 kilometer per hour winds. And then you've got cloud cover for much of eastern Canada, more sunshine in western Canada, especially in the southern regions. Although having said that, Winnipeg's cloudy and 3 degrees, but sunny both Regina and Saskatoon. 8 degrees in Edmonton right now, 14 in Kelowna. Sun and cloud mix in Vancouver. It is cloudy in Whitehorse right now, and we've got some light snow falling at this hour in Yellowknife. Overnight forecasts for the regions. For East Kootenay, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, 1 degree for a low, 10 for a high tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix with a chance of some late day shower activity. Crow's Nest Pass, a few clouds tonight, 0 for a low, 9 for a high tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix also with some showers moving in late in the day. Medicine Hat, mainly clear tonight, -1 for a low. Sun and cloud tomorrow, 6 degrees for a daytime high. And here in Lethbridge, we're expecting a few clouds tonight, down to -4, up to +6 degrees tomorrow. Mainly cloudy. Winds will be shifting to the east at 20 kilometers per hour, and that always kind of packs up the cloud cover into the foothills and the mountains. You can see in the 5-day forecast, Thursday's the day we start to see those flurries move in. It looks like no flurries on Friday, but actually Friday is the day when we're expecting to see some periods of snow. And then Saturday, we've got some flurries in the forecast as well as it starts to pull away. Here's your 5-day or your record temperatures for the next five days. And as you're looking at that, just remember that the Keep the Streets Alive and Warm campaign for Streets Alive mission is happening all the month of November. Any donations of warm coats, scarves, and gloves, bring them down to the Streets Alive mission. They really need all those supplies.